Today we will be showing you how to add access to an identity in Symmetry Connect. Please keep in mind that you must hold the Access Control Manager or ACRM role or Access Control Representative ACR role, along with managing the specific access groups that you would like to assign to the identity. These roles can be set up by Connect admins. Today we are going to assign access to an identity. I'm going to click on the Identities tab. I'm going to begin searching by typing, and you'll notice the list automatically filters based on what I've typed. It also shows helpful information like name, company, employee number, where they work, phone number, email address, and card number. There's other filters available on the screen as well. I'm going to select the identity. You'll notice based on my role that I cannot add a new card or credential to this person. I'm only managing access, but I can view what cards they have, and I can also see the status of this card as being lost. I'm going to go ahead and add access to this identity by hitting the New button. You'll notice that I can only select from access that I manage. I currently manage 3 access groups. I manage the B1 floor 6, the B1 exterior door, and the B1 weekend access. Since the B1 floor 6 access was assigned via a data-driven rule, it gives me the 2 access groups that I can select from. I'm going to go ahead and assign this person weekend access. And you'll notice that there are 4 access assignments that are assigned through least privileged access, which in Connect is data-driven rules. So when an identity is added to the system, it is reviewed by Symmetry Connect, and based on data attributes, it assigns the access automatically based on your company's security policies. So the fact that I'm an employee and I'm in a specific building, and that I'm an employee and I'm in a specific department, it's going to automatically assign me access based on my profile. When you assign the access, you get an hourglass first. And once the access has synced down to the access control system, to the physical access control system, you'll get green check marks. You can hit the refresh button there, and you'll notice that now all of the access has synced down. And the only access that I can manage is the access that I assigned. I cannot manage access by data-driven rules. The data is the source of truth, and the feed is the source of truth for these access assignments. So I can only edit or remove this access. And by editing, that means I can update the expiration date and time that I want this access to activate or expire. And then I can remove the access as well.